Found right across the more arid parts of Australia is a fierce-looking beast that has more in common with science fiction than reality. It has an armor-plated body, giant claws, and most intimidating of all is its muscular tail finished off with a sharp spike. This is the Australian burrowing scorpion, one seriously equipped arachnid. It's large enough to fill the palm of a man's hand, but we certainly wouldn't recommend you do that, as you may get a nasty sting. Its tail is the perfectly designed offensive weapon that strikes out over its body on any unsuspecting prey.
You can get them up to probably about 12-15 centimetres long if you stretch them out. And they're actually quite stocky compared to a lot of other scorpions. So burrowing scorpions tend to have these really stocky pedipalps, these very thick-set claws.
The burrowing scorpion doesn't waste its time hunting around the desert searching for food. It hides out in the burrow, waiting for food to be home delivered.
They'll sit at the entrance of their burrows, and when something comes close enough, they'll rush out, grab it, drag it back to their burrow, bring the sting over their body, sting it until it's dead, and then take it down their burrow to feed on.
It feeds on many critters including cockroaches, beetles, worms, millipedes, centipedes, spiders, and even other scorpions. Generally its prey will be half its size, but will tackle larger animals if needed. The burrowing scorpion is mainly a nocturnal animal, escaping the harsh Australian sunlight by day in its cooler, humid burrow.
Scorpions in the desert are living in environments that might get to the mid-40s during the day and sub-zero temperatures at night. So that burrow environment allows them to maintain constant temperature, constant humidity to avoid the worst of whatever might be happening up on the surface.
This curious creature is a down-under specialty.
Burrowing scorpions are actually only found in Australia, and they only occur in mostly arid regions. You don't get them in tropical rainforests or temperate rainforests. There are lots of different species of burrowing scorpions. We're aware of maybe about 80 new species across Australia, so it's one of those areas where we're still finding new species all the time.
Two of the burrowing scorpion species are the Flinders Ranger scorpion and the black rock or black desert scorpion. Very similar in many ways, very different in others. The one thing that they have in common is that they burrow.
Now these burrows don't go straight down like a lot of spider burrows do. They're actually spiraled, they're corkscrewed into the ground. And this is so that they can maintain a flat surface to walk up as they move from the bottom of the burrow up to the entrance.
Scientists are now putting the burrowing scorpion's venom to good use. The latest research shows that the venom assists with brain surgery. This fluorescent toxin is painted on brain tumors, and so helps surgeons to detect the margin between healthy brain tissue and tumor cells. So whilst the burrowing scorpion could easily feature as a science fiction monster, it's also a science research hero.